Hello everyone, today I'm going to be changing the headlight bulbs on my 2017 Ford Escape. The first thing you're going to do is pop the hood. Next you're going to open the hood and prop it open. Next, on the back of the headlight assembly, you're going to peel this little rubber cover off of the back of the assembly so that you can access the headlight. And you're just going to rotate it that way. If you were facing towards where the camera's pointing, it would be counterclockwise. And then you're going to pull the headlight straight out. And you can bring it out here and you push down on this tab, and then you can pull the headlight out. So to install the new headlight, you're going to retrieve that wire and take your headlight and plug it in. And then you're going to stick it back in there. And kind of remember the position it was before you took it out. Turn it clockwise this time if you are facing towards where the camera is pointing, and it's back in there. And it's going to be the same thing on this side, except you're going to have the coolant tank kind of in the way a little bit, and the bright beam is also the same, and it's in a pretty accessible location on either side. So last, you'll put the cover back on. And then we'll go ahead and check it and make sure it works. And alright, so it works. So we've replaced the headlight bulb in our Ford Escape.